everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am so excited to discuss with you what I plan on doing this November. It's not a collab, it's just a way to diamond paint and craft together. I'm calling it hashtag DPHEARTITUde. Yep, that's right. I'm going to put it down here, what it is. And basically what it is that every day I'm going to release on my community tab a picture. The picture is going to look like this. Woo. Okay, and inside will be a quote or something I'm grateful for. The concept is the attitude of joy. Many times as we head into the holiday hustle and bustle here in the United States, the fall time, there's just this heaviness that comes with the holidays, grief and loss, maybe financial, maybe family, disengagement. There's just a lot of things besides the happy stuff. And many times I talk about happiness being a feeling that you can't really control. You either feel happy or you don't. But joy is an attitude. It's a way of looking at life. So you can be frustrated and angry and upset and sad, but still have this joy outlook. And what joy, the attitude is that despite things going on in your life, you're not happy. You're still feeling some of these negative feelings, but you're able to still see the sunshine. You're able to still talk with a friend. You're able to still smell your favorite candle and taste your favorite coffee. And so I wanted us together in November to have a hashtag DPHeartitude and just see where it takes us. So before I do my unboxing, I wanted to share this little funny with you. Choose joy is something that I have been doing for quite some time. It's something that I have plastered all over so that I remember this concept, this mind frame, state of mind, where my heart should be. And I talked with my husband and I was like, I had to switch cars, and I thought now's the time after 20 plus years of driving that I finally want to treat myself, my chair, treat myself to personalized license plate. And I really wanted it to somehow reflect choose joy. And so I went, oh, doggy dog, look at this. Look, see, oh, she's leaving. She's like, I don't want to be on camera. I don't want to be caught. She's crazy. So he and I were talking and trying to figure out what would be a good way to say choose joy on this license plate. What I picked out said it was available, but when he submitted it, it was rejected. I can't remember the reason. So we went back and I gave him something. It was like 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock at night. I was diamond painting, watching a live. He's in this, office store back here. I'm in my craft area. We're talking through the wall. And so I finally said, here, this is what I want you to put. So he did it. Couple weeks later, we get the license plate. He holds it up. I start cracking up. When you look at it, it no longer reflects choose joy. If you read it, it's cheese joy. Oh my goodness. I'm like, oh, this. So I am driving around Michigan with something that reflects the word cheese joy. Thank goodness I am a cheeseaholic and I love cheese. So whether I choose joy or cheese joy, they both are correct for me. So that's my little funny for this video. But I wanted to share with you just how I choose joy. One of the ways is diamond painting. Helps de-stress me, and so I reached out to my friend Amy Reed. I purchased one of her paintings that I plan on unboxing for you right now, and as I was talking with her, she said, hey, I'm going to give you a prize for the month of November. So she is sponsoring hashtag DPHEARTITUde. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull a name from every day. So that's 30 names. And then I'm going to pull one out of the 30 names. And that winner will get to pick their choice of a crystal canvas art, which is 100% full rhinestone, full crystals. She has some amazing artwork over on her site. So what you'll need to do is every day, like I said, I'm going to post something like this on my community tab. If you're a subscriber, it should automatically pop up. You're going to go and you're going to put something you're grateful for. So I'm thankful it is not 0 degrees out. I am having gratitude that I actually have hot coffee today. My tires are not flat today. Whatever it may be, something that you have gratitude for or you're thankful for or something that's not a complaint. Now, you can enter 30 times, one each day, and your name could get pulled 5 out of the 30 times. That means that you have 5 chances out of the 30 then to win. So definitely go in each day. You cannot enter more than once a day, but I will go in and pull a comment. So I'm going to pause this video, turn it around, and let's do this unboxing and see what I picked for our hashtag DPHeartitude, aka my version of choosing joy this month. Okay, we are back. I am so excited. This is Crystal Canvas Art Designs, and I chose this. It's a 40 by 50 off of Crystal Canvas Arts. And what I love is that here in the United States, the shipping is included. She has whatever's on her site is in stock, so it shows up to your home in a matter of some days, depending on if the U.S. Postal Service has their act together. Okay, so are you guys ready to see this? It's square. These are crystal squares. Now, she only has a few of these paintings left right now. She's working with a different manufacturer because she had issues with this manufacturer communicating with her. And so race over there, grab what you want, but look at how beautiful these crystals are. I'm so excited. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colors, and then you've got your 3 10s. And the reason I picked this one in my little whip intro is, look, it says choose joy. So this is what I'm doing. It's a 40 by 50, and I know it has a lot of 3 10s, but that is just going to make the crystals really pop. You get your choose joy and your little scale over here, and then she has it again right up here. She has her crystal canvas across the top. Now, because it is poured glue, I can roll it backwards like this to help it lay flat more quickly. It will do it on its own, but we're on a time crunch because we're in a cute little video, right? So I just thought this was really cute. It really went along with my choose joy philosophy, and this is what I'm going to do for my hashtag DPHeartitude. And there's some other ones I'm doing. I'm doing some other DP alongs. I know there's a couple people in the community doing things for November, and I'm super excited. So you don't need to get this one. It's just I want to start seeing hashtag DPHeartitude in your Instagram post and different things like that, as well as when you go and make your comment. So hopefully by thinking about joy, by thinking about gratitude, putting the heart behind your gratitude, that's where I got DPHeartitude. So I hope this blesses you. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with as far as what you're thankful for, what you have gratitude for. And I can't wait to see what I come up with too, because who knows what November holds. So until next time, be blessed, take care, love you all. Bye-bye.